My Goldfish is Evil is a Canadian animated television series that was created by Nicolas J. Boisvert. The series was produced by Ghislain and Stephen Majaury. It was first shown on CBC Television. The series made its British premiere on CITV on 1 September 2008. From 16 February 2009 onwards, it was moved back to an afternoon time slot on weekdays, broadcasting then new episodes. Overview. The series follows the adventures of Beanie and his pet goldfish, Admiral Bubbles. The super-intelligent anthropomorphic goldfish has dreams of bringing a reign of terror on the city and of world domination. Frequently, he escapes from his bowl in his attempts at mischief, with Beanie's mother always failing to believe him. Beanie must save the world himself. Cast: Main, Stefan Blanchett as Admiral Bubbles, Sonia Ball as Beanie, Jane Wheeler as Beanie's mother. Supporting: Alison Wenner as Nia, Beanie's love interest, Bruce Dinsmore as Elwood, one of Beanie's friends, Sonia Ball as Nana, Beanie's maternal grandmother, Sonia Ball as Stanford, another of Beanie's friends, Lucinda Davis as Desmona, friend of Nia and frenemy of Beanie, Elwood and Stanford, Susan Glover as Miss Darley, Beanie's schoolteacher, Bruce Dinsmore as Principal Block, Beanie's school principal, minor and guest, Ian Ingram as Super Eric, Stefan Blanchett as Officer Swanson, Bruce Dinsmore as Slappy the Clown. Additional voices by Lucinda Davis, Bruce Dinsmore, Susan Glover, Rick Jones, John Kearns, Alison Wenner. Releases. The complete series was released on DVD in English and French by Imavision in Canada. Distributor. In 2012, Cyber Group Studios acquired the rights in the TV series, which they now distribute. Episodes. Season 1. The Monstro Crane of Doom. The Army of Sea Dudes. School Trip to Aquaworld. Quote. Space Command. We Have a Goldfish. Show and Tell. Sweetheart's Dance. The Ice Roaches Cometh. Sewer Adventure. Goldfish Teriyaki. Rescued. Stinker. Quote. Forgetful Fish. Quote. Icing on the Cake. Quote. Season 2. CBC My Goldfish is Evil website. Broken. Sardine Productions.